This is the story of a woman who is hungry. She has had a busy day and is tempted to just pop a pizza in the oven, but she knows she will regret that later, as she is on a mission to eat healthy. She doesn't want to go out into the rain to get groceries and start searching her pantry and freezer.
Found in the pantry my light coconut milk, cannellini beans, frozen spinach, frozen peas, 1 onion and 1 sad little celery. I'm going to use 2 stalks of the celery, or 3. I got 3 stalks of the celery. Gonna rinse them off. I'm gonna cut off the ends of the celery. I'm gonna clean the onion. I'm chopping up these vegetables really coarse and quick, because after everything has cooked, I will use the immersion blender to get a smooth soup. Got my pot. I'm adding the onion and celery. I'm adding all the spinach. It's probably about a cup and a half. Adding all the peas. And I'll turn on the heat. I'm adding some cumin, about a teaspoon, and a few chili flakes. Not too much, I don't want it too spicy. Once you smell the onion, I'll add 1.5 cups of water. And now I'll just have to wait until the spinach is defrosted. I'm adding another cup of water because I can see it is too little. I'm adding 1 low sodium vegetable bouillon cube. As you can see, the vegetables are barely submerged. I decided not to use the cannellini beans because the garden peas already provide enough protein. Once it has been boiling for a couple of minutes, you can check if the vegetables are tender. They are. And now I'll add the coconut milk. I use light coconut milk because I don't want to eat a lot of fat. If you want even less fat, you can use soy milk or some oat milk. And then the only thing left is to use the stick blender and blend until completely smooth and creamy. And once it's all smooth and blended, you can have a little taste to see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Mine needs a little bit more black pepper. So I timed myself, and making this soup took about 15 minutes, which is faster than preheating the oven and putting a frozen pizza in. So I consider this a huge win, because now I have a healthy home-cooked meal with stuff that I already had in my pantry and freezer.
And so our heroine resists the pizza, creates a meal that is comforting, nutritious, and entirely rain optional, proving once again a good dinner may already be waiting in your pantry.